I'm killing myself here. Take number 3. All right, this is a Kishu Shimpaku Juniper. It was initially, we added movement to it in 09/12 of 21, and then potted it in 11/24/21, so 2 months later. And this was probably done by a second or third year student, and we always try to add movement to them just to give them that first taste of how to wire. And so as you can see, we were probably going to pot this as a future Cascade. And so I'm going to finish that up today. And then I will post what it looks like when we're all done. Just a small little 1 gallon, 2 gallon tree, and we're going to make it into something beautiful. All right, stay tuned. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is clean the bottoms. So these 2 branches right here, I'm just going to turn into gin, and we'll see if we can use those. They're awfully small, but so are the rest of the branches. This is a younger tree, so all right, stay tuned. Okay, we are mostly finished with the Deadwood, making the gin, I should say, and yeah, we'll see how I'm going to incorporate that into this design. The great little tidbit is when you make your gin on a smaller tree, you want to wire that gin or Deadwood when it is still moist. After a few days, if you haven't wired and added movement to it, then it'll just get hard and brittle, and you'll be stuck with whatever you've done. Well, all right, we have completed our initial styling. Just made multiple pads. Tried to not line any of them up so that we have a little bit more depth. Come a long ways from those first pictures. I added a little bit of Deadwood here just to give it some interest. And with that, we will see you on the next tree.